Assalamu alaikum dear 10th class students. I am going to teach you English and our topic is from the diary of the young girl. We are going to learn the exercise today and you will open your book at page number 25, fourth part, matching. Match the following, column A and column B. In column A, there is the first word is here, journal. What does the journal mean? A journal is a written record of events with times and dates, usually official. That is the journal. Then there is diary. What is the diary? We have learned from the diary of the young girl. What is this diary? Diary, a book with a separate space or page for each day in which you write down your thoughts and feelings or what has happened on that day. Dear students, you see when Anne Frank was writing the diary and she took that diary as her friend. So she took down all the records in that very book and she called her the Kitty. Then there is one more word, that is log. What is a log? Log is a full record of a journey, a period of time or an event written every day. That is the log. Then there is one more thing, that is memoir. Memoir actually means biography of a person. Here it is a record of a person's own life and experiences, usually a famous person. So dear students, you know what is the meaning of journal. There is the explanation, this diary, log, memoir. So all these things you should learn. Then there is one more question here. Here are some entries from the personal records. Use the definitions above to decide which of the entries might be from a diary, a journal, a log or a memoir. Here are some entries given here and we have to decide from which records these entries have been taken. For example, there is part first. If you see on your book, I woke up very late today and promptly got a scolding from mom. I can't help it. How can I miss the FIFA World Cup match? Dear students, you know what is this? This entry is from the diary. As you know, what is the diary? Diary is a book with a separate with a separate space or page for each day. So this entry is from the diary. Then there is part second. 10:30 a.m. went to the office of the director. 1 p.m. had lunch with the chairman. 5:45 p.m. received Rahul at the airport. 9:30 p.m. dinner at home. What is this? This entry is from the log. As you know, the log is a full record of a journey or a period of time or an event written every day. Then there is one more entry, part third. The ride to Ooty was uneventful. We rested for a while every 50 kilometers or so and used the time to capture the magnificent landscape with my handy cam. From Ooty we went to the Bangalore. What a contrast! The noise and the pollution of this once beautiful city really broke my heart. Dear students, can you guess from which this entry has been taken? This has been taken from the journal. What is the journal? It is the record of the events with the time and dates. So there is one more entry, that is part fourth. This is how Raj Kapoor found me, all wet and ragged outside RK Studios. He was then looking for just someone like this for a small role in Mera Naam Joker, and he cast me on the spot. the rest, as they say in history. Dear students, can you guess from which this entry has been taken from? This refers to the biography, or we can say this is the biography of a famous person, that is Rajkumar. So this entry has been taken from the memoir. Now, dear students, this is enough for today. Inshallah, we will come again tomorrow. Thanks.